Pretty doesn't pay your bills. Here's what I found when I pulled apart the top converting 3D landing pages of 2026. They all have 5 specific layout sections that most Spline tutorials never even mention. And if you're building pages without them, you're basically decorating a store with no cash register. Section 1. A hero with a single animated focal point and one clear action button. That's it. Okay? Visitors who land on a page with 6 spinning elements and 3 competing CTAs, they bounce before they even scroll. 1 animation, 1 button, 1 job. Section 2, a proof bar right below the fold. Real numbers, real logos, real faces. Not trusted by thousands. Not a stock photo grid. Specifics. This is where strangers decide in under 3 seconds whether they trust you or click over to your competitors. Section 3, a benefit stack where every 3D visual illustrates one outcome the buyer actually gets. Not look how cool this orb rotates. Each visual answers the question, what do I walk away with? That's what turns eye candy into the reason to pull out a credit card. Section 4, a single question FAQ block. Just one. The one objection that kills the most sales. Find it in your support inbox, your DMs, your comment section. The question people ask right before they talk themselves out of buying. I'm here and you remove the last wall between almost ready and sold. Section 5, a sticky bottom CTA that follows the visitors everywhere. Because here's the truth. The prettiest page on earth makes $0. If nobody can find the button, it should be visible at all times, on every scroll depth, on every device. Not hunting, no guessing. Those are the 5 sections. Nail them, and your 3D page stop being a portfolios and start being revenue machines. By the way, if you're serious about building a real residual income instead of just designing pages for other people's businesses, check out the turnkey residual income system at https://bigresidual.com. 80% of every dollar comes back to you, and a done-for-you sales system handles the selling so you don't have to. The link is in the description below, so go take a look.